Let's sign up for NCB Online using the mobile app. So go ahead and download the NCB Mobile App from the Play Store or the App Store. You can also go ahead and search for RSA Authenticator and download it as well, because you're going to need it, right? So once you have downloaded the app, let's open. Go ahead and select sign up. Then select sign up for online banking. Then select next, and then select next to continue. Then select let's begin. Now here's what you need to create your online profile. You need your Visa debit card and your TRN. Agree to the policy and terms and then select next. Here you need to provide the last 4 digits of your Visa debit card. Then choose an identification type. In most cases, it's going to be TRN or Jamaicans, and then enter your TRN and then select next. Now, my profile already exists. What you're going to be doing on the next screen is setting your username. So now let's look at, after you set your username, how to set up your RSA token. You'll get this pop-up, security setup. So you're going to select setup security token. Now on this page, you're going to select the type of token that you have. So in this case, it's going to be soft token that you're going to be selecting, and then you're going to select next. Now here you're going to get this pop-up, cancel security setup. You're going to select dismiss here. So here you're going to select link token, and it will take you to the RSA mobile app. So here you're going to then hit submit, and then that's basically it. Your OTP credential has been added. Once you completed all the steps, you'll be able to log in with your username and password. The RSA token is not required for logging in. You will need it when you're adding a beneficiary for like paying a bill, adding a beneficiary for a transfer, and also when you're transferring money, you need to specify the RSA token. That's the purpose of it. It's basically for securing your account, right? And that's basically it for now, guys. Don't forget to leave a like or comment on this video.